KISS is an acronym for Keep It Simple, Stupid as a design principle noted by the U.S. Navy in 1960. The KISS principle states that most systems work best if they are kept simple rather than made complicated. Therefore, simplicity should be a key goal in design and unnecessary complexity should be avoided. The phrase has been associated with aircraft engineer Kelly Johnson. The term KISS principle was in popular use by 1970. Variations on the phrase include keep it short and simple, and keep it simple and straightforward. Origin: the acronym was reportedly coined by Kelly Johnson, lead engineer at the Lockheed Skunk Works. While popular usage has translated it for decades as, keep it simple, stupid, Johnson translated it as, keep it simple stupid, and this reading is still used by many authors. There was no implicit meaning that an engineer was stupid. Just the opposite. The principle is best exemplified by the story of Johnson handing a team of design engineers a handful of tools, with the challenge that the jet aircraft they were designing must be repairable by an average mechanic in the field under combat conditions with only these tools. Hence, the stupid refers to the relationship between the way things break and the sophistication available to fix them. The acronym has been used by many in the United States Air Force and the field of software development. Variants: the principle most likely finds its origins in similar concepts, such as Occam's razor, Leonardo da Vinci's simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, Mies van der Rohe's less is more, or Antoine de Saint-Exupéry copywriter Wise. It seems that perfection is reached not when there is nothing left to add, but when there is nothing left to take away. Colin Chapman, the founder of Lotus Cars, urged his designers to simplify, and add lightness. Rube Goldberg's machines, intentionally overly complex solutions to simple tasks or problems, are humorous examples of non-KISS solutions. An alternative view, make everything as simple as possible, but not simpler, is attributed to Albert Einstein, although this may be an editor's paraphrase of a lecture he gave. A variant used in marketing is keep it simple and straightforward. In film animation, master animator Richard Williams explains the KISS principle in his book The Animator's Survival Kit, and Disney's 9 Old Men write about it in Disney Animation, The Illusion of Life, a considerable work of the genre. The problem faced on this area is that inexperienced animators may over-animate in their works, that is, a character move too much and do too much, such as carrying every accent over into body language, facial expression, and lip-syncing. Williams urges animators to KISS. In software development, list of software development philosophies: minimalism, reduced instruction set computing, worse is better, don't repeat yourself, you aren't gonna need it, rule of least power. References: this article is based on material taken from the free online Dictionary of Computing prior to November 1, 2008 and incorporated under the relicensing terms of the GFDL, version 1.3 or later. External links: KISS principle, see also.